Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting to all of us. On this morning, I would like to deliver my understanding of anatomy of linguistic from our third meeting in the introduction of linguistic class B. Without fo- without without addition, let us begin the presentation. First of all, we all know that human beings are social creatures, and one of their main characteristics is the ability to communicate. Every day we speak, we write, and use gesture to express our thought and feeling. The question is, why do humans communicate with each other? What the answer is simple. Without communication, human cannot share ideas and cannot even build relationship with other. Language then appears as our main tool in communication. Through, through language, we can express something clearly. Right? in a structure in in a structured way and make it understandable to others. Language itself, if has been part of human ability since birth, we can s- we can see this through the why our brain capture and process sound. All of these are naturally programmed in the human brain. That's why humans begin to explore more deeply. What is language? We may have heard about the way language is defined. Is what we call linguistic. Linguistic is the scientific of language. However, many people However, many people still assume that linguistics is only about grammar and dictionary. In fact, linguistics is not merely a rigid, including a, a rigid, a rigid, a rigid science. It is a way to understand human through the language we use every day, inclu- including including include including spoken language, since since language, and even how language influence culture and way of thinking. Linguist, linguistic is non Linguistics is not an exact science like chemistry or physics. In- Instead, ins- instead it's belong to the social science, unlike physics and chemistry that study naturally phenomena which are fixed and measurable. Linguistics study how language affect human life. The method used are scientific, but the results are not absolute. Before we understand linguistics further, we must know we must know the main component. There are several elements of linguistics that we need to learn when study language, such as phonetic, which study which study how sound are classified. Number two is phonology, which study language sound in a more abstract way. The the three, morphology, is which deal with the relationship between form and meaning. Syntax often considered the core of language. And semantic is which focus on the meaning of language. Linguistics provide many benefits that support linguistics provide many benefits that support human life in society. For example, it it's as an im- it's play an important role in helping people with speak disorder regain their ability to speak. This 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 show, this show that linguistics can act as a bridge connecting language with many other fields. In in technology, for example, linguistic support speak recognition system that secure restricted area, automatic translation, and even talking computer. In forensic, linguistic help identify the author of a text or uncover hidden meaning in utterance, assisting law enforcement in finding evidence that was previously unnoticed. unnoticed. In the field of health, linguistics also help doctor identify damaged area of the brain. Therefore, we can understand that linguistics has a very important role in supporting human life. That's all can that's all I can share for now. Thank you to Mr. Hanafi as our lecturer in this course. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.